Swiss yen. Now, I spoke about Swiss yen yesterday, and I spoke about the real rates, and I'm not. It's tricky because I'm in a position now, because this is such a long-term trade. I mean, I've spoken about it so many times. I'm sure a lot of you are sick of me saying it, but I'm holding this trade for the next year, 2 years. It's not something that's a swing trade or a scalp or anything like that. So long-term, I do still think this market's going to the downside. We've got so much room to come down, and oops, that's not what I want. The long-term idea behind this is still very solid, with the Bank of Japan path to normalization, very high likelihood of the S&B going to neutral rates, if not even negative rates, but that's not the case right now. It seems like the S&B may hold rates in the next decision. The Bank of Japan is pretty dovish. They're not in a hurry to hike rates according to their last decision or their last meeting. The real rates for the yen are still very poor. They're in negative, meaning the yield you get from holding the yen is you're essentially losing money by holding the yen in theory. So it's not that attractive to buy and hold for investors anyway. So yeah, it's not a trade I would suggest short-term traders be in. To the short side anyway, just yet. I think we might still see some higher prices, which is why I took profit. So I had a second entry here because I was on dollar cost averaging my way in on a higher time frame. Had another entry here the other day and took profits on this drop, just so I could book some profits, because as I said, I do think we might see some higher prices. So if we can start coming up to these previous highs, I'll start scaling in again. Short term though, let's have a look. It's not on the edge finder. Oh, sorry, it is on the edge finder. I stand corrected right here. Swiss yen bullish reading of 6, although I don't think there's really. Sorry, I've just got to put my email in here. I don't think there's anything that really sways my opinion to actually start taking long positions though. Score of 6 is good, but it's not overwhelming in my view. Retail sentiment is majority short. Which, yeah, not great. Well, okay, let's go back to the chart. So if we're looking for a short term or a swing trade long, let's forget my short idea and let's go in with a clean bias. So we've got previous highs here, so resistance that we're going to just use as what it is for now. We've still got the H4 trend to the upside. 50 is above the 200 moving average. I would be looking actually basically for a retest, either back into my initial entry to form this double bottom. Maybe we'd get a retest of this 200 moving average and potentially an oversold RSI here. That would be the technical setup. The other approach would be using the fib, looking for a 50% retracement into this 50 moving average, 50-50, something like this. So we'd see the pullback in here, retest, continue higher. That could also be a play.
If you'd like to see more of our free daily chart of the days, make sure to join our Telegram channel if you have not already joined. And if you are already in the Telegram channel, make sure to hit that thumbs up button to support our work. Also, quick reminder that if you're looking for free tools and free education in the trading space, head over to a1trading.com. You can check out our free technical, fundamental courses and much more.